Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm really local in Haywards Heath. I'm really excited to show you around this new J garden office on a size that we don't do many of, with a great interior finish. So this J is 2.3 meters wide and it's the 2.5 deep. So roughly that's old school kind of 8 by 8 feet, sitting on decking that was already in place. We come and tested out what was beneath this and agreed that it was going to work absolutely fine. So they didn't need our base. But internally, this is great. This is how you use compact so much into a small space. So the walls and everything on this are cement wall on the sides, MTX on the front, all our usual stuff you're probably aware of if you follow my channels for our J office. The side being that much deeper, look what the client's crammed into this. I absolutely love it. So as we come into there, you've got the desk on the side there, triple screens. That's a nice big desk and usable space. You've then got a little bit of unit and storage space there, and a little table there that actually can be set up to doing workshop stuff. But then also very clever little fold away running machine that drops down here as well. So just think about that. So that's 8 by 8 of space in your garden. What a small space that would be and take up, but how much you can use from that. And then this relatively compact property, this client's getting so much more out of this space. All the usual things you expect from us, although not doing the base. We have then done the electrics, communications, set all that up ready to be used as a daily office. It's getting used almost every day, all the time. And I really love that. So that's, just imagine what you could do and assist in your property with just that little tiny space here. So if these kind of J offices are of interest to you, please feel free to give us a call. Let us know your thoughts on this. 10-year guarantees, as you're probably aware, 50-year life expectancy on this building, and a great addition to your house and your living space in your living room. It doesn't just need to be an office. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts. Thank you.